Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Monishaa. Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Today we are making sesame ladoos, also known as Til Ladoos, and these taste absolutely delicious. So let's get into this video. For that, here in a fry pan I have taken 100 grams of white sesame seeds, also known as Safed Til. I am going to roast these sesame seeds on low flame for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes and our sesame seeds have been perfectly roasted. I am going to transfer this on a plate. Now we'll roast our dry desiccated coconut. For that, here I have taken 45 grams of dry desiccated coconut, also known as Sukha Nariyal. I am going to roast this on low flame for 5 minutes. And you need to continuously stir. So it's been 5 minutes. I am going to transfer this onto the same plate. Now on the same fry pan I am going to roast peanuts. This is 90 grams of peanut. I am going to roast this on medium flame for 4 minutes. So once you see the skin started coming off from the peanut, it means your peanut is ready. I am going to switch off the flame and transfer these peanuts on a steel plate because these peanuts are hot, that's why. Now we'll immediately start peeling off the skin of the peanuts. Just gently rub the peanut and it will easily peel off. So similarly we'll peel off all the skin of the peanuts. And our peanuts is also ready. Now you need to crush these peanuts. For that I have taken a mortar and pestle, also known as kalbatta. I am going to add half and half portion and crush it. But you don't need to crush this a lot. Just lightly you need to crush this. And it's completely fine. Just lightly you need to crush it. Don't over crush it. Don't make it into a powder texture. Similarly, I am crushing rest of the peanuts and a crushed peanut is ready. I am going to transfer this onto a sesame and coconut mixture. Now to this I am adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. I have mixed this well. Now we'll start making our ladoos. For that, here in the same fry pan I have added 200 grams of jaggery, also known as gur. To this I am adding 6 tablespoons of water. Now we are going to cook this on low flame until we get a soft ball consistency. So you need to continuously stir, let the jaggery melt on low flame, and we need a soft ball consistency. Gradually you will see this mixture will start to gain bubbles, light bubbles. And then you will see the entire mixture will get bubbles. Now you need to keep on mixing. You need a little more dark color, but don't burn the jaggery. Keep on low flame and mix it. And we need a soft ball. Soft ball means it will be sticky when you pick it up from the water, and it will form into a soft ball and it will be little stretchy. So now this looks perfect. I am going to drop few drops of jaggery into this bowl of water. Now you can see that it looks little sticky, but I can easily remove this out. And when you see, it looks like a soft ball. It is not a hard ball. And this is how it should look. And when you try to pull it, it is sticky and soft. This is the exact texture that we need. Now immediately I have switched off the flame. After switching off the flame, I have added peanuts, sesame and coconut mixture into this jaggery. Now we'll fast mix this. You need to do this process fast. Nicely mix this. Once this is nicely mixed, immediately we'll start making the ladoos. So always make the sesame til ladoos when the mixture is hot itself. Don't wait it to turn cold. If you will wait it to turn cold, it won't hold shape and it will just stick to the pan. So immediately we'll start making the ladoos. For that, here I have taken some oil. I am greasing the oil on my hands nicely, and I'll start making the laddus. First 1-2 laddus that you will make, you will find it little tough because the temperature is very hot, your hand can't handle it. But after 2 to 3 laddus, your hand will get adjusted to the temperature, and then fast you can start making the laddus. So do this process quickly of making laddus. So 1-2 times you will find it little tough, that means your hand will feel little hot. But after 2 to 3 laddus, fast you can make the laddus. But don't wait for the mixture to turn cold. That's why I am making it immediately. And similarly we'll make all the laddus, and out of this mixture I got around 29 sesame laddus. So Makar Sankranti is basically a kite festival. During this festival, we in India, we eat sesame laddus, which is also known as Til Ladoo. So this is a very famous sweet that we have during the kite festival, and it is a must for every Makar Sankranti. So everyone fly kites outside, and then we have these laddus, and this tastes absolutely delicious. And you can have this any time of the year as well. Whenever you feel like, you can make this. And when it cools down, it turns little hard. It turns hard when it cools down, these laddus. And you can have it like an energy ball as well. When you're craving something to munch on, that time you can have these laddus. So you can carry this in your bag, in your office, in your tiffin, and when you feel very hungry, that time you can eat one laddu and your hunger will be fulfilled. And it is basically like an energy ball and very tasty. So all our laddus have been made, and you can see the oil is also used. I used here at least 4 tablespoons of oil to grease my hands. So every time before making the laddu, I am greasing my hands and making the laddus. And this recipe is very easy to make and very delicious. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya. Thank you for watching.